Hey, Chef Wayne, the Florida Cannabis Chef here. Listen, it got really cold here last night in South Florida. It dropped down below 60 degrees. So I had to make something creamy, dreamy, and warm. Here's what I came up with. A triple cheese and bacon, cannabis infused macaroni and cheese. Now you guys are gonna love this one. It was simply delicious. You ready? Let's get started right now. Okay, remember to subscribe and hit that little bell so you get future notifications on videos upcoming. Today's video is triple cheese and bacon mac and cheese. There's our setup. 22% THC level hybrid cannabis today. Remember, we decarb our cannabis at 240 degrees for 40 minutes in the oven. This is a two-pan method. In our crock pot, we're gonna add 4 cups of heavy cream and set our crock pot on high. Here we have our decarb cannabis out of the oven after 40 minutes. We're going to wrap this in some cheesecloth with a little bit of hemp cord. Now I always tie this bag loosely. You don't want to pack the cannabis, you want the fluid to flow through the bag. Next we're going to cook our half pound of bacon at 325 degrees in the oven on a raised rack so we can save our precious bacon fat drippings. That's going to help infuse the THC into the cream. Remember, THC infuses into fat. Plus it's going to give us some great flavor. Okay, there's our bacon fat, pouring it into the heavy cream. Now we're going to add the decarb cannabis in our bag and place the lid on. We're going to chop the bacon up. There we are, bite-sized pieces. I'm going to add that into the sauce. Next we're going to bring our pasta water to a boil. We're going to add our salt, and then we're going to add our olive oil. The salt and the olive oil are to A, keep the pasta from sticking, and B, the salt helps make the pasta less sticky. We don't like sticky pasta. Okay, we're going to cook this for about 8 minutes. You want your pasta to be al dente. After it's cooked for 8 minutes, we're going to rinse and strain the pasta thoroughly. Place on the side, add our salt, our black pepper, and our paprika. Here we go. Next, we're going to add our cheeses, our 3 cheese blend, our 6 ounces of cream cheese, our 6 ounces of Gruyere cheese, and our 6 ounces of shredded cheddar cheese. Now, after about 4 hours of cooking, our cannabis cream sauce mixture is ready to go. It's looking nice. See how it just simmers and bubbles nicely. No heavy boiling, just a simmer. I'm going to strain this off. There we are. Now we're going to add this mixture to our noodles and our cheeses. I'm going to stir and mix over a medium heat. Now we're going to do this for about 8 to 10 minutes and we're going to be ready to serve. Here we are, finished product ready to go. Here we have an 8-ounce portion of approximately 52 milligrams of THC. Thanks for watching today, Florida Cannabis Chef, the easy way to make triple cheese and bacon mac and cheese. Now listen guys, you don't want to miss any future episodes, so make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the little bell so you get notifications when the videos come up. Thanks for joining us and have a great day.